How's your hair in the rain?
It's holding up okay. Hello, I'm Eric Brooks, brand specialist with Alpine Electronics. We're here today with Chris Tagu, product and brand strategist with Alpine Electronics. And today we're talking about the i209-GM. Chris, can you fill us in on this product?
Sure. So this is actually the i209-GM. This is a 9-inch display on a beautiful piano black finish there. In previous generations, we actually had a 10-inch display. Now that 10-inch display was much larger. We created the dashes on the trim that actually went into those installations. What that did was created many SKUs. So we had a handful of units to fit in most of the GMs. So we had one specifically for Silverado. We had one specifically for the Sierra. Now in this particular application, we only have one unit that can fit all of those trucks. So it's a lot easier to install. You know which one actually works for your vehicle. So this 9-inch display, it's full featured. The display color itself is blue here for the Silverado. There's a switch on the back that you can hit that'll turn it into a red light, so you can match the Sierra color.
Okay. All right. So this is all factory trim. How about installation on this? Does it take a while, or is it pretty simple to install?
So the installation is much faster than it was in previous generations. Since you're only replacing the inner panel, it's a lot less to do. Okay. In the box, the unit's actually pre-assembled, so everything's very plug and play, very easy to install. You probably shave off about an hour of installation time from the previous generation.
That's great. Now let me ask you this: over the previous models, I saw that there are a couple of key features that are new on this.
Yeah.
What are some of those?
So this has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The best feature of smartphone applications today. So that's a key product for us. Also does vehicle integration. So you can do Maestro module, which means you can see your tire pressure, you can see engine codes and things like that and access them from the screen. You can also do accessory control, which allows you to control lights, anything that you might have outside of the vehicle, you can control from the display.
Nice. And again, I see here this Alpine logo, so that must mean that it sounds good. Can you tell us about some of the sound tuning capabilities?
Sure. So alongside of the major tuning capabilities that Alpine always has, like the 9-band parametric EQ, these units are actually already tuned for the GM truck. So out of the factory, as soon as you drop it into the dash, it'll sound great no matter what. So you don't have to spend time learning how to tune your vehicle. As soon as you drop it in, it'll sound perfect for your truck.
Well, it sounds like a great value to me. So we're talking about the i209-GM today at 2018 CES. We'll see you soon.